As a further example, here's some operational design domain prompts. So this is a small subset of the types of things that are said to be important and that have to be included in a safety case for operational design domain. One is behavior rules, and it gives as examples traffic laws, vehicle path conflict resolution, local customs, justifiable rule breaking. There's also a compliance strategy of traffic rules and regulations. So the first one said you have to identify what the traffic laws are, but this one is how to argue that you actually conform to them and that you won't break traffic rules unless it's necessary or somehow appropriately safe to do so. There's a prompt element about vulnerable populations, including number, density, and types. There's one about special road users. And there's one about seasonal effects. Sure, it could be snowing, but also snow might be covering the vehicle even after it's done snowing, or maybe the leaves drop off the trees and that affects your localization ability, and so on. This is a small sample, but 4600 has a very robust list of the types of things you should be thinking about. Do you need technical mitigations for all of them? No, you don't. You need to argue in your safety case that if it applies to you, you have it covered somehow. And if it doesn't apply to you, well, that's okay too. Just say it doesn't apply and have a credible way of knowing that that's really true.